marketplace addresses the issue of carbon emissions and the impact on climate change. By providing a mechanism for individuals and businesses to invest in projects that reduce or capture carbon emissions elsewhere, it enables them to compensate for their own footprint. This approach encourages sustainable practices and helps to mitigate the negative effects of greenhouse gas emissions, ultimately contributing to the global effort to combat climate change.
For this problem, our solution is a carbon offset marketplace. It is a platform where individuals or companies can purchase carbon offsets to compensate for their carbon footprints. These offsets typically represent investments in projects that reduce or capture carbon emissions, such as reforestation, renewable energy, or methane capture initiatives. Such marketplaces facilitate the trade of carbon credits, allowing businesses and individuals to take a step towards mitigating their environment impact. There are several online platforms offer these services, connecting buyers with a variety of certified carbon offset projects to choose from.
How the solution or idea works, the working model or design. In a carbon offset marketplace, individuals or businesses typically begin by calculating their carbon footprint. After determining the amount of carbon they need to offset, they can browse through a variety of certified carbon offset projects available on the platform.
These projects might include initiatives like reforestation, renewable energy, or methane capture. User can then purchase carbon credits equivalent to their carbon footprints, effectively investing in their projects. These funds generated from the sales of these credits are used to support and expand the chosen carbon offset projects, thus enabling individuals and businesses to compensate for their own carbon emissions.
What makes the idea great? The carbon offset marketplace is the beneficial because it allows individuals and organizations to take immediate actions to reduce their environmental impact. It provides a convenient and accessible way for people to participate in climate change mitigation efforts even if they are unable to directly reduce their own emissions. Additionally, it promotes investment in environmentally friendly projects, fostering innovation and development in the green technology sector. Moreover, it raises awareness about the importance of carbon neutrality and encourages a more sustainable approach to business and personal practices.